Welcome, Hoopers, to your 15-minute upper body workout using the infinity hoop and light hand weights. I'm Michelle, your AI fitness coach. Today, we're targeting those arms, shoulders, chest, and back while keeping our core engaged with continuous hooping. This is a low-impact, high-result session perfect for any fitness level. All you need is your infinity hoop and a pair of light dumbbells. We'll start with a 2-minute warm-up and flow through 8 dynamic upper body moves before cooling it down. Let's build strength, sculpt muscle, and have fun while hooping. Let's get it. Let's get started with a 2-minute warm-up. Keep your infinity hoop spinning and place those weights gently on your shoulders. This will wake up your muscles, activate your core, and get your heart rate up. Stay light on your feet, find your rhythm, and breathe. Great start. Keep it going. This is the time to get your rhythm going and get used to the movement. You're doing great, guys! We will begin our first transition shortly, so stay focused. Coming up next will be overhead pull downs. Arms raised overhead, alternating pull down to shoulders. Take a look at the inset for a quick demo. Now let's finish up this warm-up and then we will begin. Let's transition into our overhead pull downs. Now raise both arms overhead with a weight in each hand. Alternate pulling one arm down to shoulder level, then push it right back up. Keep your core steady as the hoop spins. You're working your shoulders, back, and arms all at once. Keep it strong. Keep it smooth. We'll be doing 15 on each side. Let's go. You're doing great, guys. Be sure to pay attention to your form. It should be purposeful and controlled movements. Coming up next, we'll be transitioning into our front pullbacks. Arms extended in front, alternate pulling back. Take a look at the inset for a quick demo. Now let's transition into our front pullbacks. Extend both arms straight out in front of you at shoulder height. Now alternate pulling one arm back like you're rowing, then return to center. We'll be doing 15 on each side. Feel those back muscles working. Keep your elbows lifted, core tight, and stay with that hoop rhythm. Keep it steady, guys, and maintain good form. Remember, no pain, no gain. Keep it going, guys. Coming up next, we'll be transitioning into our front arm curls. Arms extended in front, curl weights upward. Take a look at the inset for a quick demo. Now let's transition into our front arm curls. Keep those arms extended forward at shoulder level, elbows above the waist. Now curl the weights in like a bicep curl and then extend back out. We'll be doing 15. Focus on control. Slow and steady gets the burn. Your biceps are loving this one. Coming up next, we'll be transitioning into our elbow squeezes. Elbows bent in front, open and close. Take a look at the inset for a quick demo. Now let's transition into our elbow squeezes. Hold your elbows at shoulder height, weights in hand, forearms pointing forward. Now open your elbows out wide, then bring them back together in front of your face. Squeeze through the chest as you close, open with control. This is great for chest and shoulder definition. You guys are really working it today. Be proud of yourself. Coming up next is our shoulder rotations. Arms at shoulder height, elbows bent, rotate forearms. Take a look at the inset for a quick demo. Alright guys, it's time to transition into our shoulder rotations. Raise your arms to shoulder level and bend your elbows, weights up. Now rotate your hands forward like you're pouring a pitcher, then bring them back upright. We're doing 15 of these. Keep those elbows lifted. This one hits the shoulders hard. Stay with it. Coming up next will be our lateral bicep curls. Arms extended to sides, bend elbows to shoulders. Take a look at the inset for a quick demo. Let's transition to lateral bicep curls. Extend both arms out to the sides at shoulder level. Now bend the elbows to bring the weights into your shoulders, then press back out. We're doing 15 of these. Nice and strong. Feel those arms working from every angle. You guys are awesome for showing up today. You'll be seeing the results soon if you stay consistent. Coming up next is our rear elbow pulls. Elbows up in front, alternate pulling back. Take a look at the inset for a quick demo. It's time to transition into our rear elbow pulls. Bring your elbows up in front, weights in hand. Now alternate pulling one elbow straight back like a reverse row, then return. We're doing 15 on each side. You're working your back and rear delts here. Stay tall and engaged. Beautiful. I know that you are feeling it, but we've only got one more move after this one before we head into the cool down. So come on now, stay the course. Remember, showing up for yourself every day makes it possible for you to show up for your loved ones. So come on now, let's crush this. Just a few more to go. Come on, push through it. Coming up next is our final move, wrist twists. Arms extended in front, twist wrists down and up. Take a look at the inset for a quick demo. Let's transition into our final move. 30 seconds of wrist twists. Extend your arms straight out in front again, weights in hand. Now slowly twist your wrists down, then back up. Keep it controlled. You're building forearm and wrist strength. Don't forget these smaller muscles. You've made it this far. Let's finish what we started. Great job, guys. Now it's time to drop your weights and continue hooping with arms above waist. Let's bring it down with a 2-minute cool down. Gently set your weights aside and keep that hoop going. Raise your arms above waist level to keep your blood flowing. Breathe deeply, let your heart rate settle, and feel that full body energy. Congratulations, you crushed it! You just completed a full 15-minute infinity hoop upper body workout with weights. You worked your shoulders, arms, chest, back, and core, all while keeping the hoop spinning. Remember, a 30-minute infinity hoop workout is equivalent to a 2-mile run. So be sure to do this workout again today and get in that 2 miles. In just 15 minutes, you worked your upper body, toned your arms, and kept your core engaged, all while hooping. That's a full body win, and it's fun too. Want to see real results? Add this workout to your weekly routine 2 to 3 times and combine it with my other infinity hoop sessions for maximum impact. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe for more fun and effective hoop workouts. You'll find lower body, core, and full body routines right here on the channel. Let me know in the comments, which move did you feel the most? I love hearing how your body responds. Every workout is progress. Be sure to stay till the end to complete your cool down, and don't forget to stay hydrated, stretch before and after each workout, and I'll see you in the next workout. See you soon.